On today's Body Cam, we're checking out the moment an entitled New Yorker learns how Florida trespass laws work.
On Monday, June 9th, an Orange County Sheriff's deputy responded to a disturbance call at a resort near Walt Disney World.
Couple, or they're trying to buy something.
Okay.
But they're already owners here.
Okay.
But they've been causing a scene, I guess, since 11 a.m. this morning.
Oh, geez.
Hollering, screaming.
After getting the general details, the officer made his way to the sales floor to say hello.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you guys today?
All of our efforts here today. It doesn't seem anything we've provided as resolution is working for this family.
Okay.
They've been very disruptive for about 5.5 hours. We have tried to solve
5.5?
every question they've had and give them different action options, access. They just don't. She's recording, which is against the law. She cannot record our presentations or people or anything without consent. Nobody's
It's like
given.
a body cam. I'm not doing anything.
Numerous times to lower the volume, lower the tension. That hasn't happened. I told them that the next step would be that we're moving from the sales floor.
Okay.
And there's nothing more we're going to do.
How long are you guys here for?
We're leaving tomorrow.
You're leaving tomorrow? Okay, so they don't want you guys on the sale floor anymore today? So,
We're not getting anywhere because we're leaving tomorrow, so we can't do this.
okay. Unfortunately,
Figure it out.
regardless, they don't want you here, so here's the two options. You can either exit the sales floor now, and everything will be fine, or you're going to be issued trespass warnings, and you come back, you get arrested. So,
You should be a trespassing.
if you choose to not walk out right now when they're politely asking you to, yes. If you walk out right now, there'll be no paper.
Why am I?
Okay, here's the thing. I'm not going to tell you twice. This is
Tell me.
okay, then let's go right now.
Explain to me why I'm trespassing. I bought
If I have to walk to my truck. Okay, you guys ready?
here.
You guys ready?
No, you're not taking my ID. I
You can either give me your ID or go to jail.
and gave them
Let's go.
$40,000.
Go.
Honey.
Let's go.
Why
We're
don't you
walking
get
out
it
right
in
now.
my face?
If you're not IDing yourself, you're refusing to leave,
getting
you have one option that can leave. I'm going to put you in handcuffs. We're going to leave. Let's go.
Hold on. I do not appreciate how you're
I don't appreciate you talking. Let's go.
What's your name?
My name is Deputy Radiger at the
what's
Sheriff's
your number?
Office. 10170. Let's go. You're not welcome here anymore.
70.
Yes, ma'am. You can take a picture if you'd like. Deputy Radiger. 10170.
Radiger.
Yes, ma'am. Let's go.
Okay. So
And what's your jurisdiction here?
You're in the Orange County. You're in Orange County.
Why is this guy so passive? Like he should be getting this and get it under control, man. Get it under control, man. Please, for your sake, man, get this under control. This guy to the right here, probably the man. You need to talk some sense into her, man. Talk some sense, man.
I'm the Orange County Sheriff Office. They're asking you to leave a property.
I'm just trying to hear it.
Your option now is to leave. Your option now is to leave the property.
Okay, can you read me my rights as well?
Okay, babe, let's go. Let's get on out of here. That's what he need to be saying.
You're right. You're not under arrest. Here's the deal.
So then why are you making me feel like I'm under arrest? Why are you like...
You're about to be if you don't leave. Your husband's being very kind to you. I would take your husband's advice right now. He seems very kind.
He's the nicest
He's
person
giving
you'll
you
ever
very good advice right now, which is step off the sales floor where you're not welcome. If your owner's here, go back to where you own. Enjoy the rest of your night here. Okay? You're not welcome on the sales floor anymore. Okay, ma'am?
Take his advice. Come on, grab her.
They said that
So I need
I actually asked them to step outside to.
I'm processing
Sure.
this right now.
Sure, but per their request, they don't want you on the sales floor anymore, which they have the right to do that. But because you guys are owners here, you're welcome to go back to what you own. You're more than welcome to go back to what you own. However, you can't be on the sales floor anymore. Okay?
I'm gonna step away.
I would step away outside.
Can you give me a minute?
No,
Give me a minute. I need to compose.
your process can be processed outside.
Very nervous right now.
You should be because you need to go outside. You're going to go to jail.
Your presence right now is very...
Okay. Well, let's go outside then.
The two would argue that they weren't done with the sales conversation, but the officer didn't appear to care.
He said he was talking to us, still doing,
So you guys are done.
but he was still showing us.
They're done with it. They're done with it.
So the woman tried another tactic to stay on the property.
Can you call for that?
No.
I need a woman here.
No. You're going to need to leave is what you're going to do. Okay, so here's the deal.
I need a woman here.
Here's the deal, ma'am. You've been asked more times than you need to be. Sir, I'm going to recommend you take her outside now or she's going to go to jail for trespassing.
Her husband wouldn't be able to get her to walk away, so the officer told management to ask her to leave one last time in order to eliminate any ambiguity about the situation.
I'm not trespassing. I've been sitting here since 11 a.m. asking for help. I swear I am not trespassing. I've been asked to sit down and wait for help.
Okay, he's going to ask you one question.
I've tried to help you numerous times. Our director of sales tried to help you for 5.5 hours. I do not want to see you go to jail in front of me.
If I can help for 5.5 hours, why would I be standing here?
We're about 5 seconds away from a 10:15, so. Oh, okay.
You leave, and once I ask you
Stop
that,
grabbing me. Can you
if you
stop doing
don't,
that to me?
if you don't,
Everyone is doing the same thing. Stop!
Okay, are you walking out right now? Are you walking out right now?
Stop! Just stop! I need all of you to stop.
Are you walking out right now, or are you going to jail?
No, officer, he-
Okay.
I feel very
Okay.
No, she's.
All right,
Do not touch
put your hands
me.
behind your back.
Do not touch me.
Nope, I'm not playing my game.
Honey. Stop, guys. Please, guys.
She made her decision.
What is he talking about? Stop, guys. You're the guy, you're her guy, and you can't even control her. She's done. He tried. The guy tried. Her dude, he tried grabbing her, say, yo, come on, let's go. Yada yada. She made it up in her mind that she wants to do whatever it is that she want to do. And this is the consequences of your actions. Let's go.
Every time this man has to leave.
Honey, come on. Oh,
Hold on, don't grab, don't interfere.
You had every opportunity to walk away.
please, honey. Honey, oh, come here. No.
No one's hurting you.
Babe.
You made that decision.
Come on. No. Honey. We just asked you guys. You guys just show it to us over there. You're gonna show it over there.
Doing this thing.
Just walk outside.
Ow, get off me.
You made this decision.
Website.
Get off me.
This behavior would continue down the room, around the corner, and out the door before she changed to a new demand.
I want lawyers now. Get off me. I want my lawyers now. I want my lawyers. Get off me. Get off me. What are you doing?
This is called trespass after warning.
Okay, get off me then.
Okay.
Let me get into my car.
You'll be getting into my car, ma'am.
Get off me. Get off me. Who's your mother? Get off me.
you lean against
Do
the truck?
not touch me anymore. Get off me. Get off me. Get off me.
I need you to step back at that curb right now.
Yeah, don't interfere. It's Florida. They got that Halo joint, man. Back up.
Who makes you think you could do this? Get off me now. Let go of my arm. Let go of my arm. Let go. I'm not doing anything. You already have me handcuffed. Get off.
That one.
Who are you? Why do you do this to people? What are you doing right now?
For challenge, yes,
What is wrong with
Yeah, I'm 10-4. She's secured. And then we have one of the unit pulled up. There's 3 of us here. Are we clear to do a pat down with you now?
I didn't do anything to you.
Get the channel so you get things under control.
What do you think I could do to you? I'm 5'2". Like, what are you so angry at me for? I didn't do anything here.
Yeah, that's the point. You didn't do anything. You were supposed to be leaving.
Hello.
I didn't do anything.
Is your BWC on? As long as you're on, we can do a pat down then.
I want a female officer. Please let go of me.
Can you hold her aside so I can just put the left hand for a pat down?
Female officer, please. Please give me a female officer, please. They took my money already. Why are you guys cuffing me?
I'm using the back of my hand before a pat down.
I want a female officer here.
So
What?
that's why there's 3 body cams on you right now.
What is not an option here?
After the backhand pat-down, the officer would adjust her cuffs while the woman asked some more questions.
Where's my phone?
I don't have it.
Where's my phone and where's my husband?
Here's the deal. I'm trying to adjust these
Why
to
are
make them more comfortable for you.
taking me in a car when I don't know where I'm going?
If
Where's
you
my
start
family?
I'm not going to adjust them. You're going to start
I have
locking up again.
American citizenship. What
Okay.
the-
Keep the cuffs like this then. I'm trying to adjust it and make them more comfortable for
My
you.
name is Leanna,
Thank you,
and
Leanna.
I live in New York.
Okay. Well,
And why are you putting me in the back of your
because
car
you're being
when my
arrested for
family are
trespass
right
after
there?
because you're being arrested for
I
trespass
was
after
not
warning.
trespassing anywhere. I was just sitting there since 11 a.m.
If you put your arm down, I can make it less tight on you.
Anywhere.
Can you please put your arm down so I can make these less tight on you?
You already like strangling my arm. There's literally nothing I'm doing wrong here, and you're trying to arrest me?
Like the channel? Subscribing helps keep this narrator fully caffeinated.
Got some fancy cuts here, Bolt.
You go one direction with them,
Man,
the other way, and
these
all the way,
things
all the
are
way.
something else.
There you go.
These things are something else. They don't make them this fancy back in the day.
I know.
Hi. Sure, I'll talk to you in 1 second, okay?
Excuse me, second.
Can I just explain to you what's going on?
I'll get it for you in a second.
Go and have a seat, please.
Can you take my bag?
No.
Can you take my bag?
Have
Can
a
you take my
seat.
bag? Can you take my bag? All my things are. Can you take my stuff? I need my things.
We'll give it to you in just a moment. We'll give it to you in just a moment.
At least that's all I'm asking.
Why are you acting like this in front of your daughter?
Because you're throwing me in the back of your car for
You're
nothing.
yelling at me like I'm acting like this? You made this decision. Now sit down like an adult.
I was talking to Chris.
Sit down like an
And
adult.
I asked him if he would
Now
just
sit
talk
down
to
like an
me.
adult.
Okay, can you just let him have my bag? I just need.
I said I'll give it to him if you sit down like an adult.
I shouldn't have to go to school.
It would not surprise me if she has daddy issues, man. She has no respect for like male authority at all. Like she don't listen to no male. Like she's like, you know, I want a female. She listens to no male at all. The people that's at the restaurant or that's at the sales floor, she won't listen to them. A bunch of guys, she won't listen to them. She won't listen to her own man. She won't listen to her own man. The person that she lay down with at night, she don't even listen to him. You would think out of everybody, he would be the one to be able to talk some sense into her or whatever. She don't listen to the officers. All males. She has a problem, man. She has a problem. And to act like that in front of the child is crazy. And then the guy, on one end, you know, you need to be filled in on what's going on with your wife or whatever, with your lady, right? That's got, you know. But on the other end, when you see that the officers are about to lock her up and she's causing a fit and everything like that, and your daughter starts crying, why are you still holding her, sitting there right there with your daughter? Why? Walk her away somewhere so she doesn't have to see it. It's like no common sense, man.
Oh, Samara, could you please?
Thank you, ma'am.
Why are you doing all this?
Can we go to the other side?
Yes, please. Is your ID in your bag, ma'am?
I can't believe you guys would traumatize people with this.
With that settled, the officer wrote up the trespass notice and explained the situation to the woman.
So I understand you guys are owners here, so you can go to what you own, okay? The sales center you're trespassed from. I just want to make sure you understand that specifically. Do you have a question about that, ma'am?
Do you even know what's happening here?
Okay, I do.
He just
You didn't leave
explained
when
it.
you were supposed to, and now you're getting arrested for trespassing.
That's what's happening.
She was charged with trespassing. The officer considered also charging her with disorderly conduct and resisting without violence, but didn't, so she'd be able to bond out that night. Had he given her the additional charges, she would have had to stay overnight to see a judge in the morning. According to court documents, she eventually entered a plea of no contest and was assigned court costs and fees of $223.
Subscribe, let the 808 slide.